Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Jeep key fob. You do not need any tools, but you are going to need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So on this back portion, you want to take that slot, push it down, and pull your mechanical key out. The mechanical key is going to look like one of these two. Whether it looks like this or like this, you can use it to pry the case open. You want to put it right here and just kind of twist. Now it can damage this, so sometimes a screwdriver will be easier, but if you don't have one handy, you definitely can use the key. So just press right here, separate like that. Now you can use your key, pop the dead battery out like that. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing downward like that. Squeeze these two back together. Put your key back in, and you're all set. No need for your program. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.